Come on, honey. How about a little kiss?
Well, I don't know.
Well, you're kinda shy, aren't you?
I suppose I am.
Didn't your mother ever tell you what every young girl should know?
My mother is shy, too.
Well, you just snuggle up and let me set you straight. Take a boy like me and a girl like you on a moonlight sail on a sea of blue. It's a night in June, there's a moon above. Love is in the air, so they fall in love. And the same thing happens with the birds and the bees as they flit among the flowers, as they nestle in the trees. Yes, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees, and it's happening to us tonight. Yeah. What the big giraffes like to do for laughs and orangutans only do in gangs. Why a love-starved whale starts to fan his tail. Where the female is, you will find a male. Well, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees as they flit among the flowers, as they nestle in the trees. Yes, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees, and it's happening to us tonight. It's the reason why kangaroos jump high, why the trout and the perch swim around and search, and this common urge makes a kitten purr. Where you see a him, you will see a her. And the same thing happens with the birds and the bees as they flit among the flowers, as they nestle in the trees. Yes, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees, and it's happening to us tonight. Every bird, every bee, every he, every she, just like you, just like me, is falling in love tonight.